Go get him. Come right here.
I'm not getting in there because if it flies, I'm running.
Okay, it's right there.
No, you do it.
Taylor,
I'm not moving. Oh, I'm not moving.
Taylor, he's scared.
There's a bird
Okay.
in our house,
Okay.
and he's scared of us. But I think we're more scared than that bird is scared.
Oh.
I think he's hurt. Ooh.
Oh my God! What if he pecks? Look how sharp his beak is.
You woke me up for this. I was sleeping good.
Oh my gosh.
Where'd he go?
It's right here.
Mom. Oh my God, it's gonna fly. I'm not doing this. Holy crap, I'm not doing this.
Okay, now what am I gonna do?
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, I feel so bad.
Two.
Okay, put it in the box and put holes in it and let's keep it.
We're not keeping a bird.
Why not? No, don't touch the box. What are you doing? Don't push it
Scoot
near.
the box to the door.
Do not push it near me. I'm done. Turn this off.
I'm just doing it slow.
Oh my God, I feel so bad. Where you at?
Okay, might be a challenge. Front row. Oh, there he is. He's trying to escape. Okay. Can you open the door?
That bird gets out when I'm right here. I don't understand.
This is not funny. How did he get in the house?
Because he was probably already in the house the first time he got in the house.
Okay, you ready?